In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear ABS sensor on your Honda Accord. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm socket, remove the ABS sensor bolt. I'm going to use a pair of pliers and wiggle this sensor back and forth while pulling up. Remove the sensor from the knuckle. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop this connector out. Then we're going to undo the connector. Push on this little tab and remove it. Remove the ABS harness out of these two brackets. Just push the grommets out. And then remove the ABS sensor. Install the ABS harness. Put it into its two little grommets here. Connect the sensor. Push until you hear a click. And then install it into the body. Install the ABS sensor into the knuckle. Install the 10mm bolt. And snug it down. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. And we'll go around and snug them down. Using a 19mm socket, torque your lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.